Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney Lynn, and today I just wanted to share our weekly meal plan with you guys. I got a week full of recipes, meal ideas, and also wanted to share our grocery haul that we're fixing to go pick up here in town. And when I say we, I mean me and my mom. I don't have a mouse in my pocket, for those of you who think that when I say we. If I ever say we in one of my videos, it's mostly me and my mom. So we're fixing to go do that, pick up some stuff. We're also going to go pick up a few other things for another video coming soon that you're gonna want to see. It's gonna be a big transformation, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go get some groceries, and hopefully you guys will find some recipes in this video that you wanna try. Maybe some meal ideas. These are like our go-to meals, not necessarily like every week, but a lot of our favorites are what I'll be sharing today. And some new things too that we've never tried. So anyways, I hope you guys find this video enjoyable and helpful to your meal planning. I know to some people meal planning is not fun and it's kind of a chore deciding what to make for dinner. Honestly, I think it's a lot of fun and I like doing it, so hopefully you'll find some ideas through this and maybe it'll help you out throughout your week as you plan and prep and buy and all that stuff for your meals. So without further ado guys, let's jump right into it. So here is our meal plan, our week at a glance type thing. So starting today's Tuesday, we're gonna do spaghetti since we're gonna be shopping and we're gonna be getting home and we're not gonna wanna cook a big meal. We're gonna do easy spaghetti and then some mozzarella sticks with that. And then tomorrow before church, we have choir practice and all that. We're gonna do an easy Doritos casserole, which is really yummy. I'll share a little bit about that. And then on Thursday we have a volleyball game, so we're gonna just do a take and bake pizza. Friday we're gonna do chili verde burritos / nachos. I love chili verde nachos, so I think that's why we planned that. And then on Saturday we have a football game, so we're gonna do sliders. We're not exactly sure which type of sliders. We'll probably decide very soon on which type of sliders we wanna do. And then Sunday we always have Sunday dinner here after church with our grandparents. And so we're doing chicken and shrimp fajitas there. And then on Monday, if we don't have enough leftovers from Sunday, then on Monday for what we're gonna do for dinner is crock-pot chicken tacos. And I don't know if we've ever made these before, but it's gonna be pretty similar to Sunday's meal so that we can use the leftovers, like leftover toppings and stuff, with a little bit of a different type of taco. All right, let's go shopping at Sam's Club. So we're going in today, and I love Sam's Club. I love to look at everything. I love to just walk down the aisles, check out all the products. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is showing you guys things that I didn't buy, but I love or I want to try, or just maybe something that I thought was interesting. So I started off with the Christmas decor, of course, and I thought that was all cute. I always love looking at the cute things that they have for Christmas. And then we wrote out our list that we needed to buy. So some things we'll buy here and then some things we will get in our Walmart pickup order. The first thing that I saw was this pepperoni pizza dip, and I love any kind of dip, so this looked really good. I thought that would be something good to try. This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. You just kind of like put it over toast, or you can sprinkle it on ice cream. And then they also had it in the Twix flavor, which I thought was really interesting. They both sound good. Our family has bought these taco kits before from Sam's Club. I think they're like $13. They're just little pork taco kits. They come with salsa and cilantro lime cream. They're perfect for an easy dinner. Oh my word, one of my all-time favorites are these butter cookies that you get at Christmas time. I can eat the entire tin by myself. And then I have 3 things that are like my guilty pleasures when it comes to frozen food. The first thing is mozzarella sticks, pizza rolls, and then taquitos. Oh my goodness, I can eat so many of those. Okay, guys, check this out. This is pumpkin spice ravioli, okay? I didn't think I was even reading that right when I first saw it. I'm like, who in the world would eat a pumpkin spice ravioli? But evidently, some people. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys ever try that. I love pretzel crisps. These are perfect for a little snack and also for dips. Then we went into the clothes section at Sam's Club, and they had so many cute shirts. They had a couple different like fall shirts with fall themes on them. This one said thankful. and they look super cute, and they look like they fit well too, you know, like they're not just like a plain t-shirt, like they will fit your body very well, your body shape. That one says hello fall. And then they also had some Christmas shirts there as well, and these Christmas shirts were so soft. Okay, Pub Mix. If you guys have never had this from Sam's Club, you need to give it a shot. It is like Chex Mix on steroids. And then if you want to try a good trail mix, this Omega Powerhouse Trail Mix is one of my favorites. It has all different kinds of things in it. Mainly chocolate chips, and then dried strawberries, bananas, almonds, things like that. It's super good. Then I saw this Almond Pecan Crunch. They're like little clusters. Those looked great. Our family's favorite pistachio kind is the salt and pepper. And then we love these Crunchmaster crackers, which I will talk a little bit more about in my video. And this popcorn looked so good, black and white fudge drizzle. Then I went into the book section and I saw they have all different kinds of planners at Sam's Club. I did not even know that they sold them there. This particular planner is an 18-month planner, and it is completely colorless inside. And so if you like to color, you can color it day by day, month by month. But they had so many cute planners. Some of them were like more, you know, mature looking, and then some looked like it could be for like a preteen or a teenager. Anyways, there was like day by day things on them, quotes for each day. They're perfect for like a little gift, you know, if you're giving a teacher's gift maybe, or just a birthday gift, something like that, because they start right now in the year and they go on through the entire next year. Then they had these bigger planners, which are weekly planners, and those were quite bigger than the other ones that I just showed you, with some cute prints in there as well. So after we left Sam's Club, we got a lot of things that we didn't need, which you'll see in just one second, but we did get some things off of our list. All right, here is our Sam's Club haul, and our Walmart haul will be later, but this is just Sam's Club right now. So starting over here, we got these Hawaiian rolls for the sliders. And we got some bagels because we love bagels in the morning. We got some cinnamon raisin kind. My sister likes those the best. And then my mom likes the plain ones, and I love both of them. And then we got French bread because we're going to do some of this. One of the loaves for spaghetti. And then the other loaf we're going to probably make into some sort of like maybe like a pizza mashup type thing where you put the toppings inside the bread. I don't know. I'll keep you updated on that one for sure. And then we bought these like baguette breads, and they are going to go with this spinach dip that we bought. If you've never had this spinach dip from Sam's Club, you need to try it. It is so good. And our favorite thing to eat with it is these baguettes. We just slice them up, throw them in the oven, warm them up, and it's a good appetizer or snack. Okay, and then we got tortilla chips because we eat those a ton. So we eat a lot of Mexican food. And then we got barbecue chips and potato chips to go with the lunches, and also for the football game on Saturday. The other thing we got that wasn't on the list is these multi-grain gluten-free crackers, and we just like them because they taste good, not because of the gluten-free or multi-grain part, but these are at Sam's Club, really, really good. This thing right here, this is dangerous. If you want to be addicted to Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn, then go and get it. If you don't want to be addicted to it, don't even try it, because it is so amazing. This is bag number, I don't know how many in our household. And then my sister loves the sushi that they sell at Sam's Club, so we picked that up for her. She likes that California roll. And then we got this. We've never tried it before. It's the pumpkin spice baking mix, and you can make it into pumpkin bread, pancakes, and cookies. So we are gonna give that a shot. I'll try to update on that too when we try it. And then my sister does cookie decorating, and like I've talked about before, I know. So we picked up these sprinkles for her because they're Halloween themed. And then we picked up some mozzarella sticks because we love mozzarella sticks with our spaghetti. It's like a good little appetizer, a little something on the side for spaghetti. And then I already talked about this spinach artichoke dip. And then we got this Black Forest ham. This is for the sliders that we're gonna make for Saturday's game. We got pork for chili verde. We got ground beef for spaghetti. And then we got this Caesar salad kit from Sam's Club as well. Well, I don't know why I said that. This is all from Sam's Club. But we got this for tonight's dinner for the spaghetti. And then we stocked up on these things right here: paper plates, paper napkins, and then red Solo cups. So we got a good little haul there, and then more to come with our Walmart pickup order. All right, here is our Walmart pickup order that we just got. I'm gonna go take you through everything and show you what we got. All right, we got some mozzarella and Monterey Jack cheese for the different things that we're making. I know this will be for the chili verde that we'll make sometime this week. And then the mozzarella is like for to top the spaghetti and stuff. And then here we got sweet and low, because that's what we sweeten our tea with. Cinnamon rolls for an easy breakfast. Chicken broth, because this is nice to have on hand for soup season. And then we got 2 sour creams. One will be for the Mexican food that we make. The other one will be for like onion dip for game day and stuff. And then we got these Reese's Zero Sugar cups, because my grandpa, he can't eat a lot of sweets. And since these are zero sugar, he likes to have those because my grandparents come to our house every Sunday for dinner. So we like to have those when he can't eat all of the dessert that we're eating. He can eat those. And then real bacon pieces. Of course, we like to use these for all different type of things, but I think the reason that we got these is to hopefully do breakfast burritos. And we like to throw those in the breakfast burrito mix. Cream cheese spread to go with our bagels. Pepperonis. We like to snack on these, and also we're going to be doing something like a homemade type pizza with the extra French bread, so we got those to go along with that. And then cream cheese. This is for, we got 2 of them because we go through this pretty fast, whether it's for eating it with bagels or putting it in food. And I know we got an extra one of these because we're going to be doing that crock pot chicken tacos, and I know it calls for cream cheese. And then we've got some cream of chicken and stuff, corn, honey. I like to put this in my tea for in the mornings. And then minced onion, baking powder, and then we got soda. We don't usually buy this much soda, but because the game on Saturday, we bought some extra ones. And also my grandpa, who doesn't eat a lot of sweets, he loves this zero sugar diet squirt. So we always have that on hand for him. And then my mom loves to buy this A&W zero sugar root beer, and she takes the zero sugar creamer, coffee creamer, and mixes them together, and it tastes like a cream soda. So she loves to do that. It's a good little snack. And then right here we bought, these are kind of all things to go along with the Mexican food that we'll be eating. Bought some salsa, diced tomatoes, olives, beans, spicy beans. If you've never had those, you need to try them because they're so good. And then green chilies, more tomatoes. We bought chicken breast because we have a couple meals with chicken. And then for our chicken fajitas that we're going to do for our big dinner, we bought shrimp to do shrimp fajitas as well. I love shrimp fajitas. And then we got some jalapenos to hopefully do poppers to go along with the fajitas. Avocados, lettuce, and then this pepper mix that will go for our fajitas on Sunday. And then my mom bought some of these soup and oyster crackers because it is now soup season, and we love these. We love to throw them in all of our soups, doesn't matter which kind. And then check these out. I don't know if you've ever tried these, but Daryl and Dinner off of Instagram totally told us about these, shared about them on Instagram, and got us hooked on them. So you need to try those for sure. They're Nerds gummy clusters, and the inside of them is like a soft gummy, and the outside is just covered with Nerds, and it is seriously so good. So try that. And we got some Doritos for our Dorito casserole that we're going to be making. And then these taquitos we'll probably use them on Saturday for the game. We like to throw them in the oven. They're a good little snack, little appetizer. And then some bread. And I believe that is everything. And the reason that we got this bread is if we wanted to do some type of more like a gourmet grilled cheese type thing, if we needed a snack before or after one of the nights that we have a game. So that's what we got from Walmart. Oh, and of course, I forgot to mention Diet Dr. Pepper, because that is a necessity in life. So here is our Walmart pickup order. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.